Amazon is the world's largest online retailer, and approximately 8,600 items are sold on Amazon every single minute. Now, wouldn't it be nice if you and I could take home just a piece of the pie by selling items that you do not even have to make, store, or ship? Better yet, this side hustle has little to no startup cost and does not require any specialized skill set to get started doing it. Gelato just launched an integration with Amazon to start offering print-on-demand services in your very own seller storefront. So for this video, I'm going to be giving you a rundown on how you can get started selling these items in your very own store so that you don't have to walk this beginner road alone. Let's go ahead and dive right in. The very first step that I recommend in this process is going to be opening up your Amazon seller store. This is going to provide ample time to go ahead and allow Amazon to get your store set up and approved before moving forward. I'm going to place a direct link to the Amazon seller storefront sign up down below. What you're going to need to do is go ahead and sign into your current Amazon account. You're going to need to go ahead and answer a few questions here like I'm doing, and then input what type of business it is that you're going to be looking to open. For the majority of you, and for me also, it was an individual. To be prepared for this step, go ahead and have 4 main things ready and on hand. So what you're going to need is a valid government issued ID like a driver's license, bank account statement, a credit or debit card, and your mobile phone number. Go ahead and prepare to spend about 15 to 20 minutes on this step to make sure you're inputting all of the correct information, providing Amazon with everything that it is that they need in order to properly open up your shop. Now, for them to approve everything can take anywhere from 24 hours to a couple of days. So just be patient during this time and just know what to expect. Whenever they're looking to approve your shop, they're going to need to have a little bit of time to do so. Once approved, you can start creating and listing your products. Step number 2 is going to be picking a winning product. As with any shop or store, you're going to want to make sure that you're picking a winning product. And by this, I mean a product that you know can sell. Now, Gelato has great options here. So let's go ahead and take a further look at some of the products that they offer and also some of the products that I feel would sell the best. Products here like cell phone cases or mugs and bottles are surely not going anywhere anytime soon, and I think really has a great potential to sell. But to be completely honest, me personally, I feel that any product that you have a passion for and that you have a great design for has the potential to sell, because let's not forget, this is Amazon we're talking about, the world's largest online retailer. And even if you chose the greeting cards option, no matter what it is that you choose to sell, I feel like you are going to have great potential with Amazon. For this video, I want to focus on selling fine art prints, because fine art prints is a newly offered product with Gelato, and it also gives you the ability to have a little bit of a higher profit margin because it is a premium product. Also, using the way that I'm doing it is definitely going to provide a more premium product, so stay tuned for that. We're going to talk about that in just a couple of minutes. But now that I know my product that I want to sell, let's go ahead and move into connecting our Gelato store with our Amazon store. All right, now opening up your Gelato account is very simple to do, but I do want to give you a brief rundown so that if this is your first time hearing about it, you have a very easy step-by-step following. So to save you time, what you can do is go down in the description box, click the link. It's going to take you directly to sign up with Gelato. Go ahead and just get started, sign up and create the account by just answering a few questions to get started. And then once you're signed up, in order to connect the Gelato account to your Amazon seller store, go ahead and go to the stores tab here on the left and then select the Amazon app here in the middle. After that, all you're going to need to do is select North America. Gelato integration with Amazon specifically is currently only available in the United States. After that, you're going to be redirected to your Amazon Seller Central. Then you're going to need to select this button here to authorize the integration. Go ahead and log in, confirm the connection, and then once that is authorized, there's the Amazon store right here connected in your Gelato account. The very last part of this portion that's very important and is required by Amazon specifically is that you apply for the GTIN exemption. Now, GTIN stands for Global Trade Item Number, and Amazon requires that all of the items that are sold have a barcode on their products. That's why whenever you're offering the print-on-demand services, it's important that you apply for this, because the print-on-demand items with Gelato do not have that barcode on them. So before moving forward, you are going to have to apply for this exemption, but don't worry, it's not difficult to do. It's very simple, and I'm going to walk you through it. So once in your Amazon seller account dashboard, go here to the catalog section and then just select add products, choose the blank form option, and then just select start. In the product identity section, fill in the product information and then select the category your products are going to be in. And then you're going to need to also fill in the rest of the sections, such as the product brand, if it has one, and also select I do not have a product ID. After that, select next. And then you're going to have to complete the rest of the form and then submit that to Amazon. Once approved, they're going to notify you via email. Give yourself around 15 minutes to fill this form out, okay? Give yourself time, go through the questions. Once you're approved, it's going to be great to know that you don't have to do this again unless you're going to be selling a different type of item. So on all items that are listed in the same product type or category, you're good to go with this form. Now, the next and perhaps the funnest part of this whole process is going to be creating those products. Like I stated before, I'm going to be showing you how to utilize their newest product, the fine art prints. However, no matter which product you choose to sell with Gelato, the process is going to be relatively the same. Now, if you're new to this and you're not really sure which item you even want to sell, I want to go ahead and highlight some of the benefits of selling with the fine art print. It's also beneficial to know that Gelato offers top-tier printing techniques. What that's going to do for you as the seller is offer bold, vibrant, lifelike colors on all of the products in your shop. And I'm sure all of you can agree with me whenever I say if you're selling artwork, you're going to want to make sure that your products are going to last a long time, that they have high quality printing. And that was something that I looked for, and that is something that Gelato offers. So specifically, Gelato prints their items on premium 200 GSM matte paper, and that is built to last for years. So you're not going to need to worry about the fading of your products. You're going to be able to trust that these products are going to last, and they also have great options for finishes with your product. All right, now it's time to go ahead and add that product. So in your Gelato dashboard, go here to your connected store and select add product. It's going to prompt you to add a single product or multiple products. I personally recommend just sticking with a single product for now until you get the hang of it, and then go ahead and select the product you want to sell. It's going to bring you here to this section where you're going to either create your design for the item or upload your design for the item. For this, I'm going to personally be using Midjourney so that I can show you how to use absolutely gorgeous, unique images for your products, okay? So the uniqueness is going to be important when you're selling artwork because you don't want anybody to copy you, and Midjourney really creates unique pictures that really don't get replicated twice, and that's why I specifically chose Midjourney. Midjourney offers plans starting at $10, so if you want to do the fine arts prints and take the guesswork out of, creating the artwork or making sure that your stuff doesn't get replicated easily, anything like that, they do have plans starting at $10. For me, for this, I signed up with the $30 plan. If you're just starting out, the $10 plan is perfectly fine. Let's dive into that. Okay, once you have your account set up, you can sign into Midjourney on your phone or on a desktop computer or laptop. I signed up on my phone and can use it on my phone, but I'm going to be showing you this from the desktop computer. So if you want to start creating, just select create and then go ahead and type in the top box, what will you imagine? You can type in anything, and then I'm going to show you how this creates a beautiful picture or art that you can then go into Gelato and place on your product. What I typed in here is the consciousness of the universe. Let's go ahead and select enter and see what it brings up. That took about 30 seconds, and here are the options that it gave. I don't personally like the faces, so what I'm going to do is go back to the prompt. However, if you want to just rerun it, you can just select rerun. I ended up with just selecting consciousness, and there is one right here that I like, so I'm going to use this one. So once you have selected the item that you want, all you have to do in order to download it is go over here on the right and select download, and it's going to download it there into your computer. The fine art prints option is under wall art, and it does give you three options here. It gives you the fine art poster, it gives you the fine art wooden framed poster, and then it also gives you the premium wooden framed poster with fine art paper. I'm going to select that last one here. Then I'm going to select vertical because that's the look of it. For the size, it allows you to change up the size. For me, I'm going to do a 11 by 14, a larger piece of fine art. For the frame, you can select white, wood, or black. I'm going to select for this one, let's go ahead and do black. And then the assembly, ready to hang or not assembled, I'm going to select ready to hang. Since we just downloaded that art from Midjourney, all I have to do now is drop my design right here. So I'm going to select that. Go over here on the left and select choose file, my device, and then I'm going to go ahead and just search for that in my computer. Right there is that art print. So I'm just going to open it and download it here to Gelato. Once it's downloaded, it's going to be over here on the left. So I'm just going to add it. And there it is in the art. All you're going to need to do is follow through with the prompts to set the pricing for your item. It will give you options to choose from so that you can see the profit you're going to be getting. And then you just need to confirm the listing in your Amazon storefront and you have that listing for sale. Here's what it looks like when you have a product for sale in your Amazon seller store. After that, all you need to do is continuously upload that product into your Amazon. Go ahead and make sure that you're doing those keyword researches so that your titles are optimized. I'll place a really helpful article about keyword optimization for Amazon in my description box down below for absolutely free. Again, one of my most favorite things about using Gelato for any of these seller platforms is that the integration between the two is so smooth. It's the smoothest that I've found, and that's probably my favorite part about using Gelato. Again, if you're looking to get started with this new side hustle moving into 2025, go ahead and use my link in the description box down below. It's going to also provide you with 50% off of your first order. So you can use that to purchase items for yourself or purchase items so that you can use it in mock-ups in your store or to use it on social media to create video reels or marketing material for your shop in Amazon. Last thing I want to note is that Gelato offers support that's 24/7. They always have a team that's available to help you if needed. So I just wanted to share that to provide peace of mind to all of you. If you find you have any questions after watching this video, please drop them in the comment sections down below. As always, thank you guys so much for all of your support. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.